Let me tell you a story about how my online business began back in 2010. I wanted to create a digital business, but I didn't know how and could not find anyone to show me what to do. Everyone I met was an expert at something, but no one had the ability to connect all these platforms, marketplaces, social media properties, and many other shiny new things together. Have you ever felt like that? Felt a sense of overwhelm, not being able to make sense of it all? Yes, me too. That was exactly how I felt then. But that was okay, or so I thought. I thought online business was easy. So I created a blog and started posting regularly. I can't tell you how many visits I got to my blog. I wasn't counting them. Then I started podcasting. A conversation with the 6-Minute Strategist became the Online Learning Podcast. Using Libsyn, I can tell you that the Online Learning Podcast has had nearly 1 million downloads, which on its own is not bad. I thought it would be a good idea to create some videos and put them up on YouTube. 500 videos later, 78,000 plus views, 971 subscribers, and I'm still going strong years later. I created the Online Learning Club Facebook group, which has over 1,300 members. I added a 6-Minute Strategist business page. Useful for Facebook ads at some point, I thought, although so far this is not a path I've explored in depth. Still, over 1,000 people liked it. Then, of course, I had to be on Twitter. Launched and tweeted thousands of times. Not with a lot of purpose behind it. But I do have nearly 10,000 followers, so I might be doing something right. Trouble is, I wasn't sure. Then Google Plus came along, so I hopped on that too. Does this all sound familiar? In my view, it's not lived up to its promise, but my profile's still there, and every time I post on YouTube, it shows up there too. Let me tell you, I became a content creation engine. Creating videos, blog posts, social media posts. There was absolutely no stopping me. Does this sound familiar? Does this sound like you? How does that make you feel? I felt really frustrated. Next, I started to try to collect email addresses. They said the money's in the list, and everyone repeats that without actually telling you why or how. But no one had told me they were important when I started out, or what to do with them even after I had them. Then I discovered how to create an online course on Udemy. So I created some courses and made some money, which was great, but I promise you I was not considering retiring on the proceeds. Where was the common thread? How were they all connected? So what exactly did all of these things have in common? The answer? Nothing. They had nothing in common. There was no connection or common thread. No connections, no plan, no strategy of any kind. It was spray and pray all over the internet. It was build it and they will come, except that they didn't. All this activity and content amounted to little more than a modest revenue stream. It certainly did not amount to a business. So I asked myself, what did I need? The answer? I needed a strategy. I needed a plan. I needed a framework, and above all, I needed a customer focus. This is what I mean when I use the term digital strategy transformation. A complete transformation of my digital strategy was required, and this is what I have been working on for months. I needed a total rethink from the bottom up to work out how all this had to be put together. I have worked out how to make the connections in digital strategy that mean the difference between success and failure, and this is what I want to share with you very soon. And what's the primary benefit of all this? Creating a real digital business which you can develop. You will win customers that you own with their email address. You will have products that you can market and sell. And when I say sell, I mean help your customers to buy from you. They will want to make that decision to purchase with just a little help from you. Your business will be a real one. Not just a couple of revenue streams, not just a side gig or two, a real business with a brand and revenues you can rely on. Just imagine what that's going to be like. I want you to discover how to transform your digital strategy. Be the first to know how this can transform your online business. Join my waitlist now, and I promise to put you at the front of the queue for the best deal when business strategy transformation launches. Don't miss out. Sign up today and become a digital strategy insider.